Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Trello for LinkedIn content tasks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Trello website at trello.com. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click continue. Next, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email from Trello and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, return to the Trello login page. Enter your newly confirmed email address and create a password. Select Create New Account to proceed. Once your account is created, you will be taken to the Trello dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. To create a new board, click on the Create New Board option. Name your board something relevant to your LinkedIn content tasks. Choose the background color or image for your board. Decide whether the board will be private or visible to others. Click Create Board to finalize your new project space. Now, you can add lists for different stages of your content tasks. Click on Add a List and type in your first list title, such as Ideas or In Progress. Add additional lists as needed, like Review or Published. To create cards within your lists, click Add a Card under the appropriate list. Enter a title for your card related to your content task. Click Add Card to save it to your list. You can click into the card to add more details, checklists, due dates, and attachments. To collaborate with your team, invite members by selecting Show Menu and then Invite. Enter their email addresses to send an invitation. Once your team members accept, they will have access to your board. Use Trello's features to track the progress of your LinkedIn content tasks efficiently. Explore Trello's additional options, like labels and due dates, to enhance your organization. You are now set to start managing your LinkedIn content tasks with Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.